How to view locked chats on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the WhatsApp application on your device and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Now just open up your WhatsApp application on your device and select on any of the chat that you want to log. Now to log the chat, all you have to do is make a long press on the chat and then tap on three dotted lines and then select on lock chat. Now to lock the chat, you need to set up a face or fingerprint to lock or unlock this chat. Now I do not have this option of face or fingerprint option to lock, so I'll not be able to do that, but that's a very simple process and it's easily can be done for any of the device. Now to view the lock chat, all you have to do is just swipe down the chat section over here, and after you tap on that you'll be able to see the lock chats. Just tap on it and enter your face or fingerprint password so that you'll be unable or so that you'll be able to unlock the locked chats. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.